It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash: normal, sport, and off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, and the park brake just below that. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons and a heated steering wheel button. And to the right here we have our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have OnStar and some interior light buttons. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got our trailering app, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. To the left we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition we have the painted grille surround and bumper, fog lights, black tow hooks, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. You'll notice this truck also comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. This truck also comes with GM's CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got the MultiPro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, some USB plug-ins, as well as the rear fans, rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage located behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.